Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing the window you want to change. This matters because shortcuts affect the active app. Once focused, check whether you'll use keyboard, trackpad, or mouse. Each behaves slightly differently. Make sure modifier keys like Control or Command are available and that no external app remaps them. Now, try the first action. Press and hold the modifier key while preparing to scroll or press the minus key. You're ready to execute the zoom out gesture. Next, perform the zoom out using the method that fits your hardware. If you use a keyboard, press and hold Control on Windows or Command on macOS, then tap the minus key to step down one level. Repeat as needed. If you have a trackpad, pinch 2 fingers inward and control the speed with pressure for a smooth change. If you prefer a mouse, hold the same modifier and roll the wheel away from you. That scrolls the view outward. Each method changes magnification, so stop when content. Finally, confirm the zoom level feels comfortable and that text remains legible. You can fine-tune with additional minus steps or a small pinch. If you overshoot, press Control or Command +0 to reset to the default. This restores standard scaling quickly. Make sure app-specific zoom settings aren't locked. Many browsers and editors store per site values. If the gestures don't work, try another keyboard or trackpad, or restart the app. That usually clears temporary input conflict.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.